Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, where today I have for you guys a very interesting topic. 10 shocking reactions women 40 plus had to Brazilian wax. Now, if this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button so you can be notified whenever we post new videos. And if you're a subscriber, thank you so much. We really appreciate your support. So let's jump into it, shall we? Number 1. Screaming at the first pull. Now, I'm sure you guys know what happens when the wax is first pulled. It's definitely not a pleasant feeling. But did you know that some women actually screamed when this happened? One woman said she was sitting in the wax room waiting for the procedure to begin, when suddenly she had an overwhelming urge to use the bathroom. She asked the technician if she could go quickly, but she was told to relax and that she would need to wait until after the wax. As soon as the first strand of hair was pulled, she felt the sensation in her lower abdomen and couldn't help but scream. That was crazy. She thought to herself, I haven't felt anything like that since I gave birth. No. 2. Nervous laughter. The moment you walk into a wax room, you can feel the tension in the air. The smell of hot wax and the sound of the machines can be intimidating to say the least. So it is no surprise that many women over the age of 40 were caught laughing nervously before their Brazilian wax began. One woman recalled, I was trying to be brave and keep my cool, but all I could do was laugh. My inner 12-year-old self was screaming inside, but I was determined not to let that show. I think the technician could tell because she kept checking up on me to make sure I was okay. Finally, she just started the wax and the whole ordeal was over before I knew it. No. 3. Wait, that's it. When it comes to removing unwanted body hair, there are a variety of methods available from shaving to waxing to laser hair removal. However, one of the most popular and effective ways to remove body hair is through sugaring. This natural form of hair removal has been used for centuries, and it is a great alternative for those who are looking for a more hygienic and less painful option. Recently, a survey was conducted asking women over the age of 40 about their experiences with sugaring. One woman responded with, wait, that's it. When asked about her experience with sugaring, this particular woman was expecting a much more intense and painful procedure. However, she was pleasantly surprised by how quick and easy the process was. She went on to describe her experience as being comparable to traditional waxing, but with less pain and hassle. Overall, the survey showed that many women over the age of 40 had similar positive experiences with sugaring. In fact, 8 out of 10 participants said they would recommend this method of hair removal to other women. No. 4. Eyes popping open in shock. Hair removal procedures such as waxing can be quite painful for some individuals. During the process, hot wax is applied to the skin and then quickly removed, taking the hair with it. This sudden pulling motion can cause a sharp, stinging sensation which can be shocking to some people. Many have described the feeling as being like a bee sting or having a rubber band snapped against the skin. Some people may also experience a burning sensation due to the hot wax. Regardless of the specific sensation, it's not uncommon for people to have their eyes pop open in shock when the wax is first pulled. It's a natural response to an unexpected or unpleasant physical sensation. No. 5. Holding their breath the entire time. When getting a Brazilian wax, it's common for some people to hold their breath throughout the process. This is usually done to help manage any pain or discomfort that may arise during the waxing procedure. By holding their breath, some believe that they can reduce the amount of pain they feel. This is because when you hold your breath, your body goes into a state of relaxation, which can help to alleviate some of the discomfort that you might experience during the wax. Additionally, by focusing on something else, such as your breathing, you may be able to take your mind off of the pain and discomfort that you are feeling. However, it's important to note that holding your breath for extended periods of time can be dangerous and should be avoided. If you're getting a Brazilian wax, it's best to take deep breaths and try to stay calm throughout the process. No. 6. Laughing hysterically. When it comes to hair removal, Brazilian waxing is definitely one of the most uncomfortable processes out there. Just the thought of hot wax being ripped off your nether regions is enough to make anyone break out in cold sweats. But according to several women over the age of 40 who have undergone this painful procedure, some people react by laughing hysterically. One woman explained that she couldn't help but laugh during her Brazilian wax because she was so nervous. She said, my hands were shaking and I was biting my nails so hard they were almost gone by the time the wax was finished. Another woman said that she found the whole experience to be hilarious, and she laughed throughout the entire thing. She even joked, Maybe I should start going to comedy clubs instead of getting waxed. Of course, some women took a different approach and remained completely still during the process. But for those who did laugh hysterically, it seems that the pain and discomfort was just too much to handle. No. 7. Asking to stop midway. There are a few reasons why a woman might ask for a Brazilian wax to be stopped midway through. One reason could be pain or discomfort. Brazilian waxing is known for being a relatively painful procedure, and some women may not be able to tolerate the full treatment. Another reason could be that the woman has sensitive skin which may become irritated or damaged by the hot wax. This can happen more often in women over the age of 40, as the skin becomes thinner and more fragile with age. Additionally, some women may have medical conditions or be taking medications that make them more susceptible to skin damage. Finally, a woman may ask for a Brazilian wax to be stopped midway, simply because she has reached her desired level of smoothness and doesn't want to go any further. No. 8. Blushing and embarrassed. Have you ever had a Brazilian wax? Well, if you have, then you know that it can be a bit embarrassing. After the strips are removed, you're left feeling vulnerable and a little bit exposed. Plus, it's not exactly the most glamorous thing to have someone rip the hair out of your nether regions. But according to several Reddit users, some women get so embarrassed after their Brazilian wax that they literally blush. One user wrote, "I got my first Brazilian wax when I was 21, and I remember being so embarrassed afterwards. I felt like everyone could see the redness on my skin, and I was just dying of shame." Another user shared a similar experience, writing, "I had my first Brazilian wax a few months ago, and I was so embarrassed afterwards. My skin was red and raw and I just wanted to hide." No. 9. Swearing under their breath. Brazilian waxing is not for the faint of heart. If you're considering getting this procedure done, be prepared to swear under your breath. According to a survey of women over the age of 40, many of them admitted to cursing up a storm during their Brazilian wax. One respondent said, "IVA had several Brazilian waxes and each time I end up swearing at least once during the procedure. It's just so uncomfortable." Another person added, "I don't think there's any other way to react when hot wax is being ripped off your nether regions. It's excruciatingly painful. And it seems like the pain is just unbearable for some people. They can't help but let out a few choice words when it's all said and done." No. 10. A heavy sigh of relief. For many women, over the age of 40, the process of getting a Brazilian wax can be a long and painful one. The good news is that once the wax is finally done, there's always a sigh of relief that follows. One woman said, "It's like a ton of bricks has been lifted off your shoulders. You feel free and beautiful. And maybe it's all in your head, but you just feel like you're on top of the world." Another woman added, "I think the hardest part for me is waiting for the wax to cool down. It feels like an eternity, but once it's finally off, I feel so light and airy. It's the best feeling ever." And no. 11. Never again. Then smiled. It's no secret that getting a Brazilian wax is not the most comfortable experience, but for many women over the age of 40, the pain is worth it. After all, there's nothing like the feeling of smooth, silky skin down there. But once the wax is done, there's always a sense of relief and satisfaction that follows. One woman said, "I never thought I could feel so amazing after having my nether regions ripped to shreds. But it's true. There's just something about having perfectly smooth skin down there that makes you feel like you can take on the world." Another woman added, "I'm not gonna lie, it hurts like hell when you're in the middle of it, but once it's over, you look down there and you're like, wow, that's the best feeling ever. It's so worth the pain." Number 12. Comparing the pain to childbirth or vaccinations. Brazilian waxing is no joke. One woman compared the pain to getting a shot. She said, "I think the worst part is the anticipation. You know what's coming, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. It's kind of like getting a shot at the doctor's office. You know it's gonna hurt, but you just have to deal with it." Another woman said, "For me, it's more like being in labor. You just have to push through the pain and trust that it will end soon. And just like childbirth, once it's over, you feel like you can conquer anything." No. 13. Cringing face, but gave a thumbs up. One woman said, "The pain is so bad that my face scrunches up in pain every time the wax is pulled. But I guess it's not that bad because I keep going back for more." Another woman said, "It's not as bad as people make it out to be. Sure, it's a little uncomfortable, but it's not unbearable. I mean, I wouldn't get it done if it was really painful." No. 14. Shocked at how smooth it felt afterwards. There's nothing quite like the feeling of smooth, silky skin down there. One woman said, "It is so weird when you re-getting the wax done because you can feel the hair being ripped out, but afterwards it feels so good. I don't think I can describe it. It's just amazing." Another woman added, "I get so addicted to the smoothness afterwards that I just want to lay there and rub my lady bits all day long. It's just the best feeling ever." No. 15. Big smile and confidence boost. One woman said, "I love getting Brazilian waxes because it gives me such a confidence boost. I feel like I'm so much more put together and sexy afterwards. It's just the best feeling ever." Another woman added, "When you have smooth, flawless skin down there, it just radiates outwards and makes you feel so good about yourself. I mean, it's like the perfect makeup-free selfie." Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you thought in the comments below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos.